Here, we showcase the seamless integration of RFID access control with the forklift. The vehicle powers up only after the driver successfully authenticates using their RFID access card, ensuring that only authorized personnel can operate the forklift, enhancing safety and security on the shop floor.
प्राधिकरण दिया गया।
The bus is equipped with an advanced biometric system that allows the engine to start when the driver's fingerprint is verified, ensuring secure operation. Additionally, it features voice announcements to enhance safety. Here, the material lift is equipped with biometric access control, allowing it to open only when the authorized operator's fingerprint is recognized, ensuring secured and restricted access. In this way, our access control system can be efficiently integrated with various systems and utilized for a variety of applications in industrial environments, enhancing security and operational efficiency.